Walmart InHome delivery lets a Walmart associate enter your home and place groceries directly inside your kitchen or garage, and scheduling it only works through the Walmart app after you set a delivery window and enable access permissions. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to find InHome delivery in the app, how to schedule your time slot, and what setup steps you need before the first delivery works. Start in the Walmart app. Open the delivery section from the home screen and check if InHome delivery is available in your area. This matters because the option does not show up everywhere, even if regular delivery is available. If you see InHome is an option, select it before you start building your cart. Walmart ties service type to the order flow, so choosing it early prevents your order from defaulting to standard delivery. Next, pick your delivery time window. This is the actual scheduling step. You'll see available slots based on your address and driver availability. Once you select a time, that slot becomes locked to your order. Before you complete checkout, you'll be prompted to set access instructions. This is where InHome is different from normal delivery. You decide how the associate enters your home, such as a smart lock or garage code, and you can control whether you want real-time access tracking from your phone. After that, finish checkout normally. Your order is now scheduled for InHome delivery, and the system will assign an associate for that specific time window. If you don't see the InHome option at all, it usually means your address is not supported yet. In that case, Walmart will only show standard delivery and pickup choices. If something changes after booking, you can go back into the order in the app and adjust the delivery time, as long as the order hasn't been processed for dispatch. The most important steps are simple. Check availability first, select InHome before checkout, and then schedule your delivery window with access instructions set correctly. Next step is to open the Walmart app and check whether InHome delivery is actually available at your address before you plan your grocery order around it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear walkthroughs on Walmart features and delivery options.